welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Nyes here. Today I am going to be making mutton soup. Your kids will love it since I love it. It tastes super delicious and I'm going to teach you how to make it. And let's go through all the ingredients. So first we have oil. And oil will be the starter of the base and we will start with this. And second we have mutton. And you don't have to be mutton or chicken. It could be any. But vegetables, it could be chicken. It could be stuff like that. And then here we have cilantro. And here we have onions. Here we have chili. And here we have ginger and garlic. And here for the spices, we have salt to add flavor. We have turmeric, and we have pepper, cinnamon, fennel, cardamom, and clove. So first what we are going to be doing, we are going to be using a pressure cooker. So I'm going to put this in 8. We didn't put it in 8. And there is no such thing as order. You can put it in any order you want. But first, I like to start with oil. And next, we just wait for the oil to get boiled. So I think the oil is ready, and now we are going to add all the vegetables. I turned it down to 6 and it will splatter, so be careful. And saute it for 2 minutes. So guys, it's been about 2 minutes since we sauteed it, and it doesn't have to be full cooked. You can leave it at medium. And now we are going to be adding the dry spices. So these are the spices we are going to be adding. And now we just mix it all up. I sauteed it for about 2 minutes, and now we are going to be adding the mutton. And now give it a stir for 2 minutes. So guys, we sauteed it for 2 minutes, and now we're going to be adding 6 glasses of water. And the soup is almost ready. Just wait for another 40 minutes. So guys, we're going to close the cooker and then let it sit for 40 to 45 minutes. And then we are going to have our delicious meal. And few facts about this. It will help your cold, and if you put some pepper in it, it will be super delicious, and you guys will love it, and your kids will love it. And it also helps when you're feeling down, and you'll just get happy right after that. And it just tastes so good. I hope you try this recipe at home, and I'll see you in the next step. Guys, now we're going to be closing the cooker, and then we are just going to be... Now we are going to be adding the lid, and then that. We closed everything, we did everything, we put all the vegetables inside. I am so excited to taste it, and I'll tell you how it tastes in 40 minutes. Our mutton soup is ready. We waited for 45 minutes this time. It feels better than we used to. Now we're going to open it. Wow. Make sure you have adult supervision and make sure all the smoke comes out and make sure the pressure is released. So let's open this. Wow. Looks super yummy. And guys, I hope you try this recipe at home. I'm going to eat it right away. It smells so good. I hope you try this recipe at home. It smells so good. I'm so excited to taste it. And let's get right to it. Look at all these pieces. Guys, the soup is ready. It smells so good. Here's one of the mutton pieces. The soup smells so good. I'm going to taste it now. It's been a few minutes since I cooled down. It smells so good. It tastes so good. So guys, this is how you make it. I hope you enjoyed today. So the pieces taste really good. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. It tastes so good. Your kids will love it. And I hope I see you in my next video. Bye guys!